Thank you so much. My name is Rodgers Moturi, the Director of Guardian Angel Pass Services and also the Director of Guardmart Supermarket. Today we have come here with the MD of Aquaclara, where we have partnered to make sure the pupils and the parents of Tente primary schools, they have clean running water that they can drink. In Kisi, we are blessed that we have a lot of rain that gives us clean water that if we harvest it properly. So I want to thank Aquaclara for a good job that they have done. Now the kids in Tente, henceforth they will be enjoying clean drinking water. Instead, our leaders, they keep on talking of sinking boreholes, which is very expensive. And yet in Kisi, we are blessed with a lot of rivers and water. So, Aquaclara, they have told us that you can filter water, which is good for consumption in our homes and in our schools. So we partnered as part of our socio-corporate responsibilities to make sure that this has been achieved in this school. And I'm going to ask John to partner with us to make sure that we do more schools in West Mugrango and in Nyamira and in Gusii. So the leadership you are telling me to talk about, it's too late to start advising leaders who don't know what they are doing. 2027, I'm standing in as a member of parliament for West Mugrango, and that's when you will start seeing the real development in West Mugrango. I'm really disappointed. The state of our classrooms, the state where our students go to class to study, and I sympathize with our teachers who have to stay in those classrooms for a number of hours. So what I want to tell the Tente people and the people of West Mugrango, help is on the way 2027. Kazi itaanza upya na tutaanza foundation na kazi itaanza. By the way, the money that comes through West Mugrango that has been wasted for the last 8 years. Wakati nitaingia 5 years, mtajiuliza hii pesa ilikuwa wapi. So guys, I ask for your support. And I ask that you support our president, our own son, Fred Okengo Matiang'i.
We're here today at Tente Comprehensive School to launch a project that is going to enable the school and the entire community to have access to safe drinking water. As we know, accessing safe water in many of our schools is a major challenge. Many of our schools do not have facilities that ensure that when children are in school, they are drinking water that is safe. And unfortunately, it's the same situation at home. So the work that Aquaclara does is to partner with schools like the school we are here at today to ensure that first we have a solution that is sustainable, a solution that is able to convert rainwater and make it safe, so that the entire population of students, the teachers, and anybody else who's at the school vicinity has safe water. And we use that platform to then educate our parents and the entire community about the benefits of having safe water. We have solutions that enable families, schools like the school here today, hospitals to have safe water. And our main goal here today was to first launch this project that is going to provide up to 10,000 liters of water for the school. But beyond that, to encourage the parents, the leadership of this community to ensure that we partner together to make waterborne diseases a thing of the past. And we are very happy that today we were joined by the leaders of this community. We had a lot of parents, and the discussions we've had, I hope, are going to bear fruit, so that in future, Tente is going to be known for safe water.
Company ito ya Aquaclara nga biyamono asomo director ito oikare rese school ito ya Tente gotoretera amaje maita amaje na buto ya bwate lakini ekero umuntu akokobo semia igore yekitangi negifilter igotari nga tari yero toretera amaje boli. So I want to thank you, my brother, and I want to thank you for finding ngambia amaje ya 90 school ito ya Tente enyora amaje aiga mtu egesimanki ale mitu ali kale muno no mwakanyagarama gikoma ngiachi kobabu nayo yo mitoro jasi atebanga ebile bintu toko kora bile very expensive lakini ando mwali nto goikera elengo yegintu twatagete gukora so igo tigante bene sendo te kwa korira omwaka aigo etore sigitunuguru amache gatukurusinse ngo ngora abantu bari gwakonya na abana ese ngicho mwarimu takoimuka kurwa achikuya amache bakurugera gutigotinga no mwana gutumwa ense yu atumtu gutine yekrasi yari igo muri mu yuro jena ikere so igo tigante benga this is wonderful ngote benga nande ngore gutigari tikendo mwaka chiskuru chire bone mana kinande corona chi population yirigo kwari konya no nyamira primary nere kune tokuni no henga sore asen skunere karo moeri se kuru kunyango skuru bikuni gwake akaiga twensi tosuke gocha igoro na into tora igubiye bwa manganaye na mangana yuki abarende ye filter bono musiko yo Rodgers minto tebirenga ko bwate bono ngore to gwikere filter inchu atacha mache mwari mwa bono igorera abantu ba minto na into na ye surrounding nere gwenjoinga mwari muyo gwetani kurwanira abana nero tokonyire bunike nyuru gachero tugweta gukora ningiya na abarimu bao that also very wonderful.
Iga ne company ya machi company engia ya machi ya rule korwa lio mochio monene bwa America ya tolete ire chi filter chingi ya chiko filter machi ayega si to bono no gotacha no konywa chi filter to begetega iga na ande ntwato ne te chi filter jinde go chia saba iboli una mana bakunywa machi iga maya na ande nabakogenda chinka chinyomba chiabo amacha ya naro bakunywa ondo taranyole filter ekero bwata bageni nabogo chaga igote byo mwalimu ate otacha macha maya ogendo chikwa bageni ba onyonya nayo yokunywa ate tori nabanta machi igoli nabanta machi banywe iga abantu bamintegendo tokoteba gochakira boniga tutagite ko partner ne company yengia yachire company yetiriengia ya toroseria macha maya iga injene rule as part of my corporate responsibility inu mondo asetie kende dalewa iga nyamira no headquarter yeito nje nongi boleira nere polling station yane ekere bambori tinga itrabeke tindengereti enalengereti singwa kira chikurangai tente gonga baleta agaiga bono koruga iga nkogenda ndo all over west mugrang toroserie abanta mache na andi totebia our leaders batie ko waste our resources kuna go sink the borehole which is very expensive and expensive to maintain amache tubwate gaigas chindoche amache to kwavezi kuruchi ebirama byeito igaisa ine abantu baito bakonywa iga abantu baitege to batebia mogonza bera 20 mogonza bera nande kera mogonza bera mosabero mosikoito omwana ito korunka iga igokoro Fred Okengo atiani nande thank you so much asoko support rie family ito gochakera tato minto gachete gakera lengo mosaiga mokamwali baga gachake biasara bono ochire ototigire nanto biasara ibino bitogendrete ngamwara lero basibo na maruziriziko nane mogende gotosabira togendre korusia.
So the first thing I think for us it's very important to appreciate that we are very blessed here in Kisii and Nyamira that we have sufficient rainfall almost all year round. And what is important is how do we then harvest this water, because many times we have rainfall and then at the end of it we still have to go to long distances to get water from springs. Rainwater tends to be of better quality than some of the sources we have, and so it's very important that we invest in rainwater both at the institutional level like here in this school but also in our homes. And for rainwater, then we need to look at the quality, as you've mentioned, the quality of the iron sheets that are being used. We have schools where iron sheets were put maybe in the 70s or 80s and they're rusty. And that, of course, is not going to give us the quality of water that we want. But also importantly, the quality of installation. One of the things that we do as Aquaclara is to train technicians who are able to do a proper job of installing gutters and installing these rainwater harvesting systems. First, to ensure that we are harvesting as much water as possible, but secondly, to ensure that the quality of the water we are harvesting is as good as possible.